Hello everyone, my name is Kaylee and today I'll be making rice paper rolls with Chef Lillie.
Hello Kaylee, how are you?
Good.
Thank you for inviting me into your kitchen. What are we making today again?
Rice paper rolls.
Rice paper rolls. Well, welcome to our Asian Inspirations Culinary Hub. Today we are making rice paper rolls. Okay, what are we going to start off with first? We are going to start off with perhaps soaking the noodles first, okay Kaylee? Because noodles take about 3 minutes to cook, that's all it takes. I'm going to get you to pop one of these rice noodles into the bowl, and we're going to pour some hot water in there, and we're going to soak it for 3 minutes. What I'm going to get you to do is get the chopsticks and stir that around for me to loosen up the noodles for me, please Kaylee. Can you do that? Thank you. Okay, if you can lift that up for me. You've got fantastic chopstick skills. Wow, look at that. I can't even do that in one go. Well done. Okay, we're just going to drain that water off and just let that cool down, okay? I'm going to get some warm water here. So we've got lukewarm water in this bowl here. And Kaylee, we're going to get you to add a couple of tablespoons of coconut milk in there. Now, at the start of the show, we talked about giving you guys a couple of tips, right? On how to make your rice paper rolls so that they do not stick. That's going to create that non-stick layer on the outside of the rice paper roll so that you can stack them up and take them off without them breaking. Okay, Kaylee and I, we're going to start making rice paper rolls. So that's one for you and one for me. And we're going to add whatever we like into our rice paper roll, okay? So Kaylee, what we do is we just soak the rice paper, okay? Like that, just wet it and pop it onto your chopping board. Okay, that's it. You can actually dip it right in, that's it, and take it right out. Okay, so what I do is, if you have a look at what I do first, Kaylee, and then you can do yours after. Okay, I'm going to lift up my pastry like this over the ingredients. Okay, press it down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it right up to the middle section. Okay, of the rice paper. Then I'm going to bring in the edges, the two edges here and here to seal it. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bit of chives on the end there to stick it out. So Vietnamese like to add a bit of chives to their rice paper roll. They stick it out there, and then what you do is you roll it, tightly roll it up, and then you've got this gorgeous rice paper roll.
I know how to do this. Can I do it on my own?
Absolutely, you've been amazing.
I'm going to do one again on my own. So first, dip it in the water, but don't put too much once again, because it will start to stick. Give it a little shake, about 4 shakes if you think it's a little bit wet, or 5 if you think it's a little more wet. And I'm going to put in some carrots. Put it at the edge that is closest to you, and you can put any ingredients in, or you could just follow the ingredients that I'm doing. And then you wrap the sides over, you take the 2 edges over, up, just like so. And then if you want to make another one, you could repeat. I'm done!
Thank you so much. My goodness, that's going to make a beautiful lunch for us all to have, okay? Well, we're going to have this, we're going to share this, okay, Kaylee? But before we do that, I just want to show you, because you've not had, you don't know whether you've had a rice paper roll before. We're going to share it, we're going to make some dipping sauce to go with it. I've got a couple of tablespoons of hoisin sauce here, Kaylee, and I'm just going to add a couple of tablespoons of water to it. Can I get you to dilute this for me? Okay, if you can just stir it through for me. I'm just going to add a bit of water, and if you can just dilute it, stir it through to combine everything together. That's it. Perfect. If you can pop a couple of tablespoons in that bowl there for me. Now, so that's the hoisin sauce, okay, and that's the basically vegetarian's version of our dipping sauce. We also have the Vietnamese dipping sauce, and that's got in there, we've made some earlier, but the actual recipe is on our website, the Asian Inspirations. And what I'm going to do is get you to pop a couple of tablespoons of that fish sauce in here for me as well. And so you basically grind up garlic, chili in this dipping sauce, and it goes perfectly well with your rice paper rolls. Well, if you guys enjoyed what you just saw Kaylee made up just then, please visit our Asian Inspirations website or across our social media sites. If Kaylee can do it, so can you.
I hope you enjoy the recipe we made for you, and I hope you are following the steps, and I hope you enjoy your rice paper rolls. Thank you, bye.
And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.